Inverter air conditioners are now very popular because they save electricity, cool faster, and provide better comfort. But proper installation is extremely important. Even a high-quality inverter AC can perform badly if the installation is done incorrectly. In this complete beginner guide, you will learn the full step-by-step process of inverter AC installation in simple and easy English. This guide is useful for HVAC students, beginners, and technicians who want to understand professional AC installation properly. What tools are required? Before starting the installation, prepare these important tools: drill machine, vacuum pump, manifold gauge set, flaring tool, adjustable wrench, copper pipes, insulation tape, electrical wires, PVC drain pipe, measuring tape, spirit level, screwdrivers, safety gloves and goggles. Always use proper safety equipment before working on electrical or refrigerant systems. Step 1. Choose the correct installation location. Indoor unit location. The indoor unit should be installed carefully because its location affects cooling performance. Important points. Install the unit at least 7 to 8 feet above the floor. Choose a strong wall that can support the unit weight. Avoid direct sunlight. Keep away from heat sources. Make sure airflow can spread evenly across the room. Leave enough space around the unit for servicing. A wrong indoor location can reduce cooling efficiency and create airflow problems. Outdoor unit location. The outdoor unit also needs proper placement. Important points. Place it on a flat and solid surface. Keep enough airflow around the condenser. Avoid dusty and extremely hot areas. Maintain at least 1 to 2 feet clearance around the unit. Install in a shaded area if possible. Avoid water accumulation around the unit. Good ventilation helps the outdoor unit release heat properly. Step 2. Install the indoor unit mounting plate. The mounting plate holds the indoor unit securely on the wall. Installation process. Use a measuring tape and spirit level. Keep the plate perfectly level. Mark screw positions carefully. Drill holes into the wall. Fix the mounting plate tightly using screws. If the plate is not level, water leakage problems may occur later. Step 3. Drill the wall hole. Now drill a hole through the wall for pipes and wires. Important tips. Hole size is usually around 2.5 to 3 inches. The hole should slope slightly downward toward the outside. This slope helps water drain properly. Use a wall sleeve for pipe protection. This hole will carry copper pipes, drain pipe, communication wire, power cable. Step 4. Prepare copper pipes and wiring. Carefully prepare the copper tubing and wiring. Important instructions. Measure pipe length properly. Avoid excessive pipe bending. Use insulation on copper pipes. Keep wiring neat and secure. Do not damage the pipe insulation. Poor pipe handling can cause gas leakage and efficiency loss. Step 5. Install the indoor unit. Now carefully mount the indoor unit onto the wall plate. Important points. Pass pipes and wires through the wall hole. Lift the indoor unit carefully. Lock it properly onto the mounting plate. Make sure no pipes are crushed behind the unit. The indoor unit should sit firmly without vibration. Step 6. Install the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit contains the compressor and condenser. Outdoor installation process. Place the unit on a concrete base or wall brackets. Ensure the base is level. Tighten all mounting bolts properly. Leave enough airflow space around the unit. A loose outdoor unit can create vibration and noise problems. Step 7. Connect refrigerant pipes. Now connect the copper pipes between indoor and outdoor units. Important instructions. Use proper flaring tools. Make clean flare connections. Tighten flare nuts carefully. Avoid over-tightening. Ensure no dirt enters the pipes. Improper flare connections are one of the biggest causes of refrigerant leakage. Step 8. Electrical wiring connection. Electrical wiring must follow the manufacturer wiring diagram. Safety tips. Turn off the main power. Match terminal numbers correctly. Tighten all wire connections. Use correct wire size. Ensure proper earthing. Wrong wiring can damage the inverter PCB board. Step 9. Connect the drain pipe. The drain pipe removes condensation water. Important points. Keep the pipe downward sloping. Avoid upward bends. Ensure smooth drainage. Secure the pipe properly. Poor drainage can cause indoor water leakage. Step 10. Vacuum the system properly. This is one of the most important steps in inverter AC installation. Why vacuuming is important? Vacuuming removes moisture, air, non-condensable gases. Moisture inside the system can damage the compressor and reduce cooling performance. Vacuum procedure. Steps. Connect manifold gauge set. Connect vacuum pump. Run vacuum pump for 15 to 30 minutes. Achieve deep vacuum. Close manifold valves. Stop the vacuum pump. Never skip the vacuum process. Step 11. Release refrigerant gas. After vacuuming, open liquid valve slowly. Open suction valve. Release refrigerant into the pipes. Now the refrigerant circulates through the complete system. Step 12. Check for gas leaks. Leak testing is extremely important. Leak detection methods: soap water test. Electronic leak detector. If bubbles appear during soap testing, there is a leak. Fix leaks immediately before operating the AC. Step 13. Seal the wall hole. Seal the wall opening properly. Why this is important: prevents water entry, stops insects and dust, improves finishing appearance. Use foam, putty, or sealing tape.
Step 14. Start the AC system. Now turn on the power supply. System testing. Start cooling mode. Check airflow. Measure cooling performance. Listen for unusual noises. Check outdoor fan operation. Verify drainage. The AC should cool smoothly without vibration or abnormal sounds. Common installation mistakes to avoid. 1. Skipping vacuuming. This can damage the compressor and reduce cooling efficiency. 2. Wrong pipe flaring. Bad flare connections cause refrigerant leakage. 3. Poor drain pipe slope. This leads to indoor water leakage. 4. Incorrect wiring. Wrong wiring can damage inverter boards. 5. Improper outdoor placement. Poor airflow reduces condenser efficiency. Important safety tips. Always disconnect power before wiring. Wear safety gloves and goggles. Never release refrigerant into the atmosphere. Use proper tools only. Follow manufacturer guidelines carefully. Safety should always come first during AC installation. After installation maintenance tips. To keep the inverter AC working efficiently, clean filters every month. Service the AC regularly. Keep outdoor unit clean. Check refrigerant pressure yearly. Inspect wiring connections. Regular maintenance increases cooling efficiency and system life. Final conclusion. Installing an inverter AC properly is extremely important for cooling performance, energy efficiency, and long system life. Every step, from mounting and wiring to vacuuming and leak testing, must be done carefully. For beginners, learning the correct installation process helps build strong HVAC skills and prevents costly mistakes in the future. With proper installation and regular maintenance, an inverter AC can provide powerful cooling, lower electricity bills, and reliable performance for many years.